Hi, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sachin Deshmukh. I am from Aurangabad, Maharashtra, and I have completed a BE Mechanical from Sandeep Foundation, Nasik with 9.09 CGPA. And I got information to my friend in IT field in eVision Techno Sir. In this excellent platform to where can you boost your career from networking site and get we knowledge is good. I'm starting the dream in a IT company. That's why I'm joined the eVision. I have enrolled the course in a system engineer. I have enrolled and training provided in a CCNA, cyber security, ITIL, and Windows administrations. These all modules are covered in system engineer courses, and in a live session is very incentive and highly experienced trainer is provided in this course. And all team are always support me, always available in on time, and all time is resolving the all issue in all team. I got placed in a INFOSYS, and my salary package is 3 LPA. My overall experience of eVision is very good. Thank you, eVision.